Hello, we're back at Gravity Clubhouse. My name is Todd Durkin, and today we're going to show you another garage clip from synthesis number 1. In station number 6, a great exercise to work the core and lower back as well as the entire arm region is the single arm surfer with a reverse fly. As you see Nicole here demonstrating this movement, okay, as she's doing that reverse fly action, we're going to show you several variations today of what you can do to progress and vary up this movement. First off, Nicole, let's take the light medicine ball. We'll start to work on some rotation and look at some strength and balances in the core. Notice the flexibility and rotation. The same movement with the single arm surfer with the reverse fly. She's still flying with the right side, but now she has the strength, the medicine ball, which we can vary the weight up here, okay, back and forth. Now, as she does that, one of the things that I can do is just gently, I can throw her back and she can resist that. This is one of my favorite moves. As I just gently throw her back, she must resist. So as I throw her back, the pulley is pulling her forward. Great for the core. And relax. How's that feel? Good. So a nice little variation there. Number 1, put the medicine ball in your hands and try to get that flexibility as well as core strength development movement. Then if you want a little bit more challenging, you can add that variation of you, the trainer, beginning to just gently throw the medicine ball back to increase the intensity of the exercise. Let's compare the size now. Same exact thing. So you switch it on up. Okay, we'll take the opposite cord here, opposite pulley. Okay, we're in pin placement number 2. Okay, vary it. The pulley's working. Opposite hand, okay, and pulley system. So she gets the fluidity of the movement first. A great stretch here, by the way, of the lower back. When you look at myofascial slings across the entire back, a wonderful stretch as well as a strengthening component. Okay, there you go. I like it. I like it. 5 to 10 of those. And then we're going to add a little variation. Now we'll start to do our little bit of a throw. Okay, just gently throwing her back. Okay, under control. I throw and she resists. Now I'm trying to look, is there any imbalances between the flexibility component as well as the strength component? One of the ways I can do that is ask her, Nicole, does one side feel different than another?
I'm okay, I think.
Nice, nice, nice. And relax. Take that little rest. Good. So, any size feel imbalanced? Or are you pretty good on that?
I think my left side's a little weak.
Left side. So if there is a weaker side, you'd obviously want to just vary that up and work another set or work some extra time or reps on that. So that's just the use of a medicine ball. Now, Nicole's going to demonstrate a couple of things that we can do without the medicine ball, some variations, okay? As she pulls on up here, she's going to do a single arm bicep curl along with an anterior front shoulder raise. Very challenging. Sometimes if you're on the GTS, you may have to get off the machine and actually lower the system potentially. But Nicole's pretty strong, so she's doing a great job with a single arm bicep curl, comes back down, and then raises into that anterior front shoulder raise. Love it. A single arm unilateral movement allows us to see, once again, are there any imbalances in the side? Notice the core strength that's needed here as well because she must stabilize. The base of her knees, the narrower her knees, the harder it is, the more stability must occur at the core. If she needed a little bit more stability, she would widen up the knees. Very good variation right there. And now let's switch up the sides right now. Good. So she now switches up the sides. Okay, other pulley's working. Also, notice here, if you want to, you can bring the pulley system down from number 2 to level 1. And the only thing that will do is allow you to change up the angle in which you are pulling at. So if you want a bicep curl from down low, pulley system number 1 is fine. None is right or wrong. Choose what's right for you and what feels right for you. Yep. So, good. How's that feeling?
I like this.
Good.
Yeah.
So it's just a little variation for you. Okay, level 1, level 2 as far as the pin placement. Single arm bicep curl along with the straight arm, okay, as best you can, front shoulder raise. If someone had an impingement syndrome, you'd probably stay away from a high shoulder raise, but this is a great, great movement to really work on the anterior deltoid. So here we have core, we have front shoulder, and we have, of course, the bicep curl. So all of these stem off of the single arm surfer with reverse fly. Great variations with the medicine ball, and of course, changing the pin placement and going with the single arm bicep curl along with the front shoulder raise. Great variations, great garage clips. Use them, have fun, motivate, educate, and inspire your client to be the best they can be. Have a great day.